Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Stylus 5G 2022 for quicker wireless. So the Moto G Stylus 5G is now here at quicker wireless. It's available now for $249.99. So it's available in steel blue there. So this is what the phone looks like here. Cricket does have also the Moto G Stylus 2022, but that one only has 4G. This one has 5G on it. So if you guys want the 5G version of the Moto G Stylus, make sure they get Moto G Stylus 5G. So yeah, like I said, it's $249.99 if you're switching to Cricket. So yeah, it's $249.99 across the board, no discounts or nothing like that. Y'all guys can pay monthly as well. $11 a month at 0% APR with the firm there. So y'all guys have the front of the phone here, which has your hole punch for your front facing camera, earpiece, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, your stylus pen of course. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the Moto G Stylus 5G is your triple camera setup along with your dual LED flash, your Motorola logo. It says still blue there. It kind of looks like a grayish color on screen here. So it looks very nice in photos, but I'm sure it looks nice in person too. But this one, but it looks gray on the back. It looks gray, you know. So it's like a dark grayish color. Like you can barely tell that it's blue. So that's kind of interesting. So pretty cool color there. So yeah. Like I said, you can finance this phone at $11 a month at 0% APR with the firm. If you guys want to do that, totally up to you. So the features on the Moto G Stylus 5G are a 6.8-inch screen, 50 megapixel camera, 128 gigabytes of storage. Be more expressive than ever with the new Moto G Stylus 5G 2022. Slide out the built-in stylus to sketch freely, add notes to photos, edit images, and even share animated messages. Capture the moment from any angle with a 50 megapixel camera system featuring optical image stabilization. View your content on a 6.8-inch Max Vision 120Hz Full HD Plus display, and do it all backed by 5G speed and powerful performance. Alright. So yeah, features: built-in creative stylus, of course. The main selling point, it's 5G and it has a stylus pen. So yeah, enjoy pinpoint control and a whole new way to express yourself. Jot notes, edit photos, sketch artwork, copy and paste text, markup screenshots, you name it. The stylus works seamlessly with the Moto Note app, so you can start writing without unlocking your phone. You can even animate hand-drawn messages and share them on your favorite social apps. 50 megapixel camera system with optical image stabilization. Unleash your creativity from every angle with a versatile 50 megapixel camera system. Eliminate unwanted motion blur with optical image stabilization, so your photos are always crystal clear. Fit 4 times more in the frame with an ultra wide angle lens. Capture incredible close-ups details with the macro vision camera and turn everyday photos into professional portraits using the depth sensor. Alright. Says compared to the measured area of the main 78 degree field of view camera in the same aspect ratio. Alright. Battery and charging. Keep playing games, sketching artwork, or watching your favorite shows on the go. The 5000 mAh battery is designed for uninterrupted fun 24/7. Then when it's time to recharge, Get hours of power in just minutes with turbo power charging. Alright, so it's pretty cool. The specs on the Moto G stylus, they are right here. They are very nice looking specs. For $250 you're getting pretty good spec sheet here. It does have Android 12, which is pretty much standard now on both the phones now, so Android 12 is on board. Dimensions on the Moto G stylus 5G: 6.65 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. Screen 6.8 inches, Full HD plus, max vision display with 120Hz refresh rate. 128 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM. I believe 4 gigabytes of RAM, micro SD card slot as well. Connectivity options: Wi-Fi 8, 802.11, ABGN, and the AC. Mobile hotspot, of course. Wi-Fi calling. Type-C charging, which is standard now. Bluetooth 5.1. Cameras, you do get 3 in the back. 50 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel. So yeah, you get a 2 megapixel depth sensor, 8 megapixel lens, and then 50 megapixel. I think it's ultra wide as well. The 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 8 megapixel camera and all that. So yeah, and then you get a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. You get a octa-core processor, 5,000 mAh battery here, and the compatibility is there. Accessories. I mean, if you guys want to get accessories here, you can get accessories here from Quickest website. They got cases and stuff here, screen protectors and stuff like that. So pretty cool. If you guys want to get your accessories for the Moto G stylus 5G, go to Amazon and type in Moto G stylus 5G 2022 to get your accessories. So yeah, so there you guys have the Moto G stylus 5G 2022. It's not available at Cricket Wireless. It's available now for $249.99. It's a great budget phone, great budget 5G smartphone. You're getting a lot of great specs for this phone for $250. You can't go wrong. If you guys want a phone with the stylus pen, but don't want to spend over $1,000 for a Galaxy Note, the Moto G stylus is the phone for you to check out here if you guys want a stylus pen. So yeah, there you guys have it, the Moto G stylus 5G. It's now here at Quickest Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.